Welcome back, beautiful people, to another session of vocab with me, Anmol, in association with Mark Tutorial. Today we are continuing with the letter P with its 50 intermediate words. Without any further delay, let's get right into it. Pacify, shant karna. The mother pacified her crying baby. Palate, talu ya swadindriya. The dish was too spicy for my palate. Paradox, virodhabhas. The idea that less is more is a paradox. Parcel, lapetna ya parcel. She received a parcel from her friend. Parlor, Baithak Kaksh. The guests waited in the parlor. Parody, Vyangyatmak Nakal. The comedian made a parody of the politician's speech. Partial, Anshik ya Pakshpati. His report was only partial and lacked key details. Passion, Junoon. He has a great passion for music. Passive, Nishkriya. He remained passive during the argument. Pasture, Charagah. The cows were grazing in the pasture. Patent, Spasht. He received a patent for his new invention. Patron, Sanrakshak. The museum was funded by a wealthy patron. Pavilion, Mandap. We rested under the pavilion during the rain. Peculiar, Ajib. His behavior was quite peculiar today. Prelude, Prastavana, Bhumika. The short speech was a prelude to the main event. Peerless, Advitiya. She is a peerless dancer in her field. Pensive, Vicharshil. He sat by the window looking pensive. Peril, Sankat. The climbers faced great peril on their journey. Perplex, Uljhana. His response perplexed everyone in the room. Persuade, Manana. She persuaded him to take the job. Petition, Yachika, Nivedan Karna. The students submitted a petition for better facilities. Premise, Adhar ya Tark. His argument was based on a false premise. Phenomena, Ghatna. The aurora borealis is a natural phenomena. Philanthropy, Paropkar. His philanthropy has improved many lives. Phoenix. Like a phoenix, he rebuilt his life after the failure. Pictorial, Chitratmak. The book provides a pictorial representation of ancient civilizations. Pilgrim, Tirth-yatri. Thousands of pilgrims visit Varanasi every year. Pinnacle, Shikhar. Winning the championship was the pinnacle of his career. Pioneer, Agrani. Path Pradarshak. He was a pioneer in the field of genetics. Pious, Dharmik. She is a pious woman who prays daily. Presume, Anuman Lagana. I presume she has already left for work. Placid, Shant. The lake was placid in the morning light. Plaster, Palastar, Lep Lagana. The walls were covered with fresh plaster. Plateau, Pathar. The athletes reached a plateau in their performance. Plethora, Atyadhik Matra. The store had a plethora of choices in clothing. Plight, Kathin Paristhiti. The plight of homeless people is heartbreaking. Plunder, Lootpat Karna. The invaders plundered the village. Poignant, Marmik. The movie had a poignant ending. Polarize, Dhruvikrit Karna. The debate polarized the audience. Ponder, Vichar Karna. She pondered over the decision for hours. Popularize, Lokpriya Banna. The show helped popularize hip-hop culture. Porous, Chidra Yukt. This material is too porous to hold water. Portfolio, Portfolio ya Sankalan. She represented a design portfolio to the company. Posture, Mudra ya Ravaiya. Good posture is important for a healthy back. Pragmatic, we have Harik. He took a pragmatic approach to solving the issue. Precarious, Anishchit, Asthir. The climber was in a precarious situation on the edge of the cliff. Proceed, Purva mein aana. A brief introduction will precede the main lecture. Prevail, Prabal hona. Vijay prapt karna. Truth and justice will always prevail. Precise, Satik. His instructions were clear and precise. Predator, Shikari. The lion is a powerful predator in the wild. That's that for today. I shall see you in the next one.